soul to soul, no time just for singing. Yet we can marry. Happiness is the way.
My people, Miri, did you go one? The mouth of the frog, even the toad, and now filled with water. In fact, you don't clean water that the toad can no longer sing the old choir. Where are we heading to? New money, old money. Eat old money, eat new money. Though we are not eating the money direct, at least use it to buy something. But in our own Nigerian English, we call it eating money. But I know as a learned person that to say eating money is a wrong English. But we are not English people. How can we not eat our old money? The new money we did not see. I came out this morning, to buy water and drink. Just with my money. See, make it not be like say at the life. Is this not Nigerian money? Is this not Nigerian money? With this better money, the normal shop that gives us everything we need, all these small things, biscuit, mineral, and anything, matches, lighter, they refuse to take it. I said, what? They said there is signal everywhere that the old money is now established. Yes, we knew of the 10th February, deadline. But where is the old money? Even the new money you buy. I did not say you withdraw. You buy. Let it not be what I'm thinking of. Let it not be what I'm thinking. If I think saying a fight won't start, the hungry person no go fit fight. Now hungry person go fight pass. Or a weaponless person no go fit fight. How you want to take Siam? All I'm saying is release the new money or allow the old money. Let this country no catch fire. Una don't drag the public to the wall. Una don't drag the public to the wall. Let this country no catch fire. Because the fire go burn you. Elu muroka na muroko kene big eje. Elu muroka na muroko. Touch people are there. Ane kunka ane kwa na elu muroka na muroko. You that is singing that. Now I said to you, elu muroka na muroko. Where can we run? Okay. I remains your favorite artist, Odenigbo, Isuochi. Thank you for watching Odenigbo, Isuochi. Once in a while, you should be ready to lay good foundation.
We are confident and flowing in the bloodline of success.
We are confident and flowing through the genetic of blessings.
We are confident and flowing in the bloodline of success.
We are confident and flowing through the genetic of blessings.
We are confident and flowing in the bloodline of success.
We are confident and flowing through the genetic of blessings.
are confident and flowing in the bloodline of success.
We are confident and flowing through the genesis of blessings.
We are confident and flowing in the bloodline of success.
We are confident and flowing through the genesis of blessings.
We are confident and flowing in the bloodline of success.
We are confident and flowing through the genesis of blessings.